We have two here. Let's open one by one and I will show you how the sound comes off it, and let's find what's inside one layer, okay? We'll do that way. I'm scared. Oh no, this is extremely fun to me. This is my first time, guys. Very first time. You see how elastic it comes? Guys. You see here? There is a top layer and inner layer in between the rattle. In between the rattle, this is top, right? And underneath, there is a little harder material that's in there. And inside the harder, there is a third layer. Oh gosh. This is 1, 2, and this is 3. This is 3, right? On the 3, underneath the 3, there is a 1. That's the number 4. So you see, I'm pulling one by one. Wow, it's all connected one by layer. See, guys, and then this was there. So that's the one, it's layer by layer. Okay, so in this one I will try to pull one by one. This is, you see the elastic, it's like it's harder, at the same time it's kind of soft material on the outer layer. When it goes to the inner, like a bulge, that is harder because of the skins are shrink together, that is makes harder. In the outer layer, that's the one makes noise. This is the one makes noise. So when the movement comes, it touches the top layer and it touches the bottom layer, everything is connected. That's how the sound creates. Guys, this is also same species. As you see, both of them are same color, and the structure is same, the size is same, same species. I bought this in eBay. This is the top from the bottom, so you're gonna cut this bottom. As I cut one by one, there is no sound because it need a motion, you know. You see, when I shake this one, what happening is it touches the bottom layer, upper layer, every layer shaky, and then produce the sound. As I cut it so many layer from here, the sound is less. This is it. When it's a live snake, the sound is heavy with the action. The complete action goes to the tail and then makes lot of noise. Alright, guys. Wow, guys, I'm so happy to take my fear out of touching the dead rattlesnake, and it's all because of you guys. Thanks guys for watching, and really appreciate it.